What's up, my fellow YouTubers? So I watch a lot of YouTube. I wake up in the morning, I put YouTube on, and then I watch, other creators out there too. So let's just talk about it. So Ford Boss Me, top level dude. South Main Auto Repair, top level dude. Uh, let's see who else. Who else we have in here? Uh, let's go back. I actually just watched this Jim's Automotive Machine. He's pretty good too. Uh, this guy, Chris Fix, not so good. Um, him and the other guy, yeah, this he's been disappointing me, Chris Fix, in his videos. And this guy too, he's pretty good. Anthony Nastasi. That's me. Um, so let's just go. How do you give me a second here, YouTubers? So it says your other people watch this. Where'd it go? So South Main, Ford Boss Me, Ford Master Tech, Moby somebody. Where is he? And there's another guy that I watch too. What is his videos? Um, so here's my point. If you watch some of the guys like myself, Ford Boss Me's content's kind of changed a little bit more. It's less technical. Um, but South Main Auto's straight technical. If you don't see a guy like South Main Auto using muffler glue and patch on an exhaust system, what does that tell you? If you don't see Ford Boss Me using muffler glue and patch and crap like that on exhaust systems, do you really think that crap works? No. That's why they don't do it. They're not going to promote it. Um, we want to promote things. We want to educate you with things that actually work. Like a guy came from Maple Shade today and just said, "Hey, dude, I had to stop by your shop to say your relocation kit on LS engines, relocation uh, procedure worked for him. He was under his intake manifold 2 times, uh, trying to do it the right way. And I told him the resistance in the block and the corrosion and everything else is such a headache sometimes. You're better off just working on the outside of the motor than doing it that way." And he did it. And he said, "Man, I've been driving it for 20 miles with no problems." Knock sensor codes are going to come instantly. Start your car up, take it for a ride, bing, knock sensor. Uh, and it's weird. Some codes like that, you have to go through a complete drive cycle. Knock sensor is instant. Um, Raymond's auto, Rainman Ray, dude, his content like Ford Boss Me and South Main and that Ford Master Mohita. I don't even know how to pronounce his name, but works for a Ford dealership, and his content is killer. So if you don't see these guys saying, uh, use this product and use that product and demonstrating you slathering glue on stuff. Now let's just say JB Weld does work. Gas tank weld does work. I've done some videos where uh, JB weld or aluminum weld works well on certain things. It is not going to work on exhaust systems. I've even had pinholes in straight areas of air conditioning line, a pinhole or a rub mark where I can get rubber around in a hose clamp, and I've sealed low pressure lines like that. I'm not, and I'm gonna tell you if it didn't work. Like we did a GM fuel line, we tried to solder it, and guess what? There wasn't enough copper or nickel in there to get the solder. It held for like 3 key cycles or 4 key cycles or something like that, and then it leaked. And then I showed you what we did to overcome that problem, also. So if something doesn't work, I usually bring people back on and say, "Hey, man, I tried this and it didn't work." Um, so be wary of stuff like that. Who's that other guy that that says it? Let me see if I can find his crap. But Chris Fix is really starting to disappoint me. And this other guy gets millions of views, and I refuse to subscribe to him because he does such crap. Saying your air conditioner will work 10, get ice cold by spraying Febreze in your vents. That shit don't work. Uh, oh, what is his name? can't think of it now. Hold on. Let's see if I can find it in my library, because I look at. Actually, I watched this guy, Paradox the rapper. Oh, dude. You know, he wrapped a car that the paint work wasn't so great, but he made it work out. Actually, watched another guy lay carbon fiber, CK Wraps. Oh my God, check out CK Wraps. He super motivated me to do some wrapping work instead of laying real carbon fiber. Jim's Automotive, definitely old school machine guy, solid. Savage was legit with the VTC rattle on a Honda. Stretch that spring, make sure you don't lose the plastic grommet. One Woman's Wilderness, you definitely might want to check her out. What is his name? Broken wires on connectors. That was for me. That works. Tucker's Workshop. I had reservations about his stuff on Honda Time and Change. Fuel pump driver module. We had some other issues. I haven't got that car back yet. I'll let you know about that. Rainman Ray's Auto Repair. Solid content. So if you watch Rayman Ray's content, dude is legit. Shop owner, former mechanic, employee. If something, same thing with him. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, doesn't. He's going to tell you. Excellent content. Love Ray's stuff. Ford Boss Me stuff. South Main Auto, legit guy. You're not going to see him using muffler mud, putting exhaust systems together and saying that this works. He's gonna tell you for sure. South Main, yep, good. What is his name? And he's not gonna probably be in here because I kind of refuse to hear his lies. Where is it? I've mentioned him before. Just pisses me off. Anyway, so these are some of the top level guys out there, and I'm sure there's some other good guys out there. I'm not patting myself on the back, and I'm not patting those guys on the back. I'm not trying to steer you to their content. But look around, because you can shop creators. If you're looking for something that you're going to do right, you definitely don't want to check the guys who aren't shop owners, who aren't in the shop. You know, the guys in their driveway, there's a handful of guys working out of their driveway that are killing it, let me tell you, and they do a good job. But I'm talking about popular guys. And they're popular for a reason. Because what they tell you works, what they do is next level. What is his name? I can't stand it. You know, his content is constantly crap. Brighton Carroll, so I sponsor this motocross rider right there. Meineke gives him support. I'm shocked. What is his name? Let's go search automotive. He's got to show up. So South Main, legit. Don't know him. No. South Main, of course. South Main. Rainman Rays, for sure, definitely. Me, for sure. Rainman's auto repair guys. I'm shocked that he's not on here. Scotty Kilmer. Oh, this guy. He gets the thumb down for his content. I would give him 2 thumb downs. So, yeah, Scotty Kilmer, I wouldn't trust anything that dude says. Uh, yeah, put water in your gas tank and you'll get 10 more miles to the gallon. He's crap. Where is my Ford leather guy? Scotty, he's such a crap head. Wow, I've watched a lot of his videos over the years, and South Bend does a great job. All Girls Garage does a great job. Weird. Can't find it. Anyway, he's a Ford Master Tech. Let me just see if I can do that. I want to give you his name too, because this dude is on the level too. Ford. So it'd be Ford Boss Me's Master Tech, but I didn't see anything for Ford. Ford. There we go. Where'd he go? So Ford Boss Me, legit. Where is this other guy at? Stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. Just wanted to give you the on the level, top level guys, coming from a guy on the level like me. I don't know if I'm going to find it. Damn. I wonder if it's... Let's just go back. I can't find it. If I remember his name, I'll say something about it. But check the guys on the level. You know, some of these other guys do a good job. Even some of the guys who are just doing videos who are doing it themselves the first time. Some other stuff is pretty accurate, you know, simple stuff. Like I just did a video on a brake job. And let me just say that. After some more digging, we did find the invoice, and someone in my shop put that rotor on that Honda wrong. So I had to figure it out and fix it. And tomorrow I'm going to educate my staff because they make mistakes because they're still learning. But, you know, I posted a video that the dealership blamed us, and I'm like, I can't remember all the cars. And that was in April, and it's July. So is it technically a comeback? Yes, because it wasn't done right the first time. But, you know, I own up to that. Like, I trusted my guys to, you know, be able to do a brake job and then do it right the first time. And this is the difference between experienced master technician and guys that have little to no experience in the field. They put the rotor over broken retainer screws, and it wasn't a horrible mistake, but it was a mistake, and I don't like mistakes. But I'm going to own up to that, and tomorrow I'm going to talk to my employees about that because it was a stupid mistake. And it cost me, you know, a half hour of my time and then have to hear a complaint about it. And they spend a lot of money with me, and they weren't pissed off about it. But the car needed an oil change anyway. So that just tells you how many miles it's been out on the road, probably 10,000 miles. these people don't follow the oil change sticker. And in April of this year we did it, and it's almost middle of July, if not a little bit past July. But yeah, check with the guys that I said, and they will give you good information. Scotty Kilmer's not going to give you good information. And now Chris Fix concerns me with his content he's putting out. Thanks for watching.